Oh, wakey, wakey. Welcome to your nightmare. I have trapped you here in my torture dungeon for your various crimes against society. The only way you will escape is by playing my game. Then the shackles around your ankles will release and you'll be free to go.
Okay, this is literally just a ripoff of Saw.
Quiet, that's copyrighted. Margaret Williams, your international oil conglomerate has single-handedly destroyed 80% of the coral reefs off the coast of Australia. The international regulatory boards may have looked the other way, but I have not.
When my people get me, you're going to be in so much
That's enough! Emily Williams, your serial killing spree left 8 innocent people dead. The police may not have been able to find you, but I have.
Hey, takes one to know one.
Shane Manning. Last Tuesday at 2:30 in the afternoon at the No Frills at the Dufferin Mall, you did not return your shopping cart to the shopping cart carousel when you unloaded your groceries into your car.
Okay, no, there's got to be some sort of mistake. I have not done anything bad. Lazy, absolutely. Gluttonous, you can make that argument, but...
There have been no mistakes.
But she literally killed someone!
I was driving my boss Sandra's BMW and the wind blew your shopping cart into the driver's side door, leaving a massive scratch. Sandra's pissed, Shane!
That's pretty messed up. Just put it away.
Margaret, for your decimated beaches, I have put sand in your underwear.
Oh, that's going to chafe.
What?
Emily, for your serial killing spree, I have set in front of you a bowl of unflavored shreddies. You will have to eat the whole thing.
Oh, no.
Enjoy when one of the pieces flips sideways and the diamond spike goes into the roof of your mouth.
That's not even equivalent. Like, that's just literally just a shitty pun.
Oh, Shane, so eager. For your punishment, I've set a knife in front of you. You need to chop off all of the fingers on your left hand.
What the fuck? Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me?
Tick-tock, Shane. Chop off the
Jesus
fingers.
Christ! Ow! Ah! Ah! Damn it! Okay, it's done!
Margaret and Emily, you're free to go.
Are you fucking serious?
I believe in restorative justice. Kill me for believing in forgiveness.
Yeah.
She killed someone!
Rob, start up that lumber stuff in the Amazon again. I'm free. Let's go.
I can't wait to kill again.
She's already talking about killing people.
All right, Shane. That was round 1. For round 2,